These 4x4 slate coasters are my absolute go-to when it comes to laser engraving. Let's get some of the details out of the way here. They are 4x4, obviously within spec, but not exactly 4 inches by 4 inches, just so you know what you're getting. Natural stone product, so not two of these are going to look the same. You're going to get some color variations. They are all within this range of gray, but how many shades of gray are there? 50? They all look roughly like this, color-wise, shape-wise, but no two of them will be alike. All of the edges are natural, plus the grain pattern, I'll say it's a grain pattern, in the stone. There you go, that's a good look at it. No two of those are alike. These are like fingerprints. Absolutely love them for projects. I sell these to businesses engraved. You can engrave these with CO2, diode, fiber laser. I'm sure you can use some sort of scratcher on a CNC mill or something like that. Never done it, so just throwing that out there. These can also be painted, look great finished or unfinished. You can spray like a varnish on top of them. They look just fantastic. Here's one that I engraved that has more, if you will, on the side of it. And some of them you'll get with less character, like I just showed you. This one's pretty plain. This one has a lot of character in it. And while we're here, you can see what it looks like when they are engraved. This is a 80-watt CO2 laser that I use to engrave them. 400 inches per minute, 35 power on my 80-watt. If that gives you any idea of what speeds and feeds and power and all that. The feet on the bottom are glued or taped on. They are little foam feet. Don't compress too much, but they compress enough. Also help reduce the amount of movement. If this is on top of a table, they don't move as much as stone on table would. One thing to be wary of is sometimes the feet either fall off or don't come on the coaster themselves. And it happens. What I do is, because I mess up some of these, the laser messes up some of these, some of them just don't look right. I don't just throw these away. I will save them and then take the feet off of the defects, if you will, and put them on these. It just takes a little bit of super glue, and you're not throwing away two separate things. You're just throwing away the defect. Like I said, these 4x4 coasters are my go-to. I have been selling these for about 5 years now. Like I said, these little 4x4 coasters, slate coasters, are my go-to. I've been utilizing these for the past 5 years, selling them for 5 years. Zero issues, zero complaints. They look fantastic when you burn them on the laser. I've also seen people painting them and all that stuff. They are just a great gift. They are a great product to have. So anyway, go get you some.